Hi everyone, this is JuliAtelierDK. Today we will create a Christmas decoration in a vintage style. I took my old metal bracelet as a basis, so we will add a little bit upcycling in this workshop. I also took some ribbon, glitter leaves, silver senile wire, string of plastic beads, and vintage print of angel. First we will wrap the wire around the bracelet and fix the ends like I'm doing now. And then we need to tie a bow. I hope you know how to do it. It's easy. And after this, we will try to make a composition from the details to see how it will look. Something like this. And we attach the red Christmas ball to the bow using a needle and thread. So I'm just sewing now. And then we glue the leaves with a hot gun. I use all the rest which I had from the previous master classes. At the same time, we fix a string of beads with hot glue and wrap our base with it, like this. Then we should attach a vintage picture. It could be angel, children. I like just Victorian style pictures. Like this. And from below we glue the bow with Christmas ball. In order to hang the decoration on the our Christmas tree, we tie a silver thread. And now please look how beautiful we got. I think it's very nice vintage style Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree.